Hello everyone, I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and I'm in my spring project, and I'm here with Vanessa, my designer, and we're in the master bathroom to talk about, like I said, the design, some of the materials that we chose, and see what beautiful design that you came up with here for these clients.
Okay.
So in one of my previous videos, I talked about actually where we're standing right now was a huge garden tub, which literally came out, I don't know, 5 feet from this wall.
Yeah, the flow wasn't the best one.
Yeah, there was not a lot of space to move around. So we obviously took that out and we're putting in a freestanding tub here, which is amazing, with a wall mount fixture. I love the materials that you guys chose for the walls, the floors, the baseboards. I absolutely love the marble baseboards here. So give us a little bit of a rundown on the idea behind the design here. And the client was so easy to work with. She pretty much just loved everything that you did, so.
That's a good point, a good starting point. Yeah, sure. So here in this bathroom, when we enter, the first focal point is the tub. So we decided to make this wall like a statement wall. That's why we not only like create a better flow, removing the old tub, but also enhance the look of this wall, having like a window that we are seeing the inside of the shower. Before, you will see in the renderings the same material in a different formats. So you see here, maybe we have the shower tile. On the flooring, we are having the octagon tile. The baseboard are marble tile also. So we try to use the same features in a different ways.
Yeah, so and it's coming out beautifully. I absolutely love it. And the client, she loves it too. We met her here yesterday and she can't wait to get into this bathroom.
Yeah, and I can't wait to see it.
I know, yeah. It's moving along. And the other key aspect of what we did here to make this more functional is her vanity on this side of the bathroom was kind of set up a bit oddly. Her seating area was in the middle, and it's not a very big vanity. And you see that a lot where there's seating areas in the middle, but usually it's a very large vanity. This one is not very big. So you had the seating in the middle and the sink was off to the side, which for her felt a little off. So we reconfigured that in a way to where now the sink is in the middle and her seating for her doing her makeup is on the right side, which makes a lot more sense.
Also symmetrically. They are going to, both vanities are going to be symmetrically now.
Yeah, and then also for her husband's, we, reconfigured a little bit of that to give him drawers on the left side instead of doors, which makes more sense for him.
The lighting also.
Yes, the lighting. You guys did a great job on choosing the lighting. So as you can see in the befores from the Matterport file, there was too many vanity lights here. I don't know what was the thought process behind that, but there was 3 on each side. It just seemed, and they were pretty big. They seemed a little strange.
Yeah.
So we changed that up and we put 2 sconces on each side of the mirror now. It's not a full length mirror. It's a smaller one in the middle.
But with a nice frame that is going to make like a statement. It's going to be a different finish also. It's not the same finish that we are using for the plumbing. So create a statement over there also.
The ideas that you guys come up with as far as design amazes me sometimes. A lot of times, actually. So that's all that we have here. Stay tuned for more from this project.